So I'm working on a 2017 Volkswagen Passat, and I'm replacing the original rear shocks with some new ones. The new ones I got came with the aluminum adapter and the snubber here, which is good. These are cracked a little bit. They're pretty simple to remove. It's just 2 bolts at the top and 1 bolt at the bottom. That's a 21 millimeter, and these are 16 millimeter heads. And so when you remove the shock, you don't need to worry. At least on my car, it didn't move around. It's not part of limiting the rear axle. And so it's just the rear bolt goes down here, and you can see where the upper bolts go right up there. So it looks like a pretty simple process. So first I'm going to take these 2 bolts off. 16 millimeter socket here. And then there's a 21 millimeter bolt down here. It's right in here. So I did have to jack the axle up several inches to get the bolts into the top there. And then you also have to be very careful to not cross thread these bolts. So you want to turn them by hand first. Make sure they're threaded in there. And before you go ahead and run them in, I'm going to run them in with the impact. And then just make sure the bottom one is tight. This one's a 21. Can't really get an impact angle on that very good, but I can get it pretty tight with a long wrench. I've got a 21 on this one. Getting it pretty tight there.